Well, good evening, community. How are you? This is Rene Michelle Floyd again, coming, just sharing some thoughts that I have with you on this evening. You all know that I've been restructuring. I had to step back, um, at the end of last year, 2023, and reset, right? And recalibrate my purpose, my mind, and how I wanted to move forward in serving you, my community. And so I was thinking, like, what would it mean to you, right? If What would it mean to you if you were part of a community that you can actually be seen and connect with, um, and really be connected with like-minded people, right? So you all know I now call social media, which social media is wonderful. It started out great, but now it's kind of unsocial, right? And so it just has really changed from 15 years ago when it started. And so a lot of us are jaded now with what's going on. So anyway, I was just sitting up here thinking about what's important to you. What is important to you? Like, that I have the beautiful hair products, right? I have all the products for your hair. But what's really important to you about the products? Like, what has the products done for you? Like, have you saw any improvement? Like, what is your favorite part of using beautiful hair products? And if you have not used beautiful hair products, what are you waiting on? Right? Because I have the try it size. So if you don't want to commit to the full set, I have the 4 ounce, bottles and jars that you can use to try to see what it's like for you. But what is important when it comes to this is the end of the day, right? And I just put my hair up and I am, heading to the sack, right? And so, but what is important to you about your sister locks, right? Um, what's important to me may be different than what it is for you. And so I know that my hair is soft. That's important to me. It's moisturized, it's hydrated, it's not dry or crunchy. It feels so good. And of course, my best hair friend, my steamer, is what helps to hydrate my hair. And so with that in mind, I was just thinking, like, what my wants are and what's important to me, and my values are different than what it is for you. And so sometimes it's just a matter of just having something to make your hair feel good, which makes you feel good, right? Makes you feel more confident, more beautiful, and, like, more proud to have your hair, right? And to know that it is your hair, no matter how thick it is, how thin it is, it's your hair. And so my job, my goal, my purpose is to help you experience the type of hair journey that you want to experience. Now, you all know that I specialize in sister locks, but there are dreadlocks, there are micro locks. It's all natural hair. And so I don't want those who have dreadlocks or micro locks or twists, to feel like I don't like you or anything. You are definitely welcome to be part of our community. Now, our community is the Beautiful Locks Club, right? So that means that it's locks, right? Um, and so locks, the way you care for it is different than you do press and curl or just loose natural hair. So that's the reason why I talk about the Beautiful Locks Club, right? Because it's basically for all of us who have locked hair. because the way you take care of it is different than you would braid hair or extension hair, that kind of thing. Like I said, just regular press and curl is different. So this particular community is especially for those who have locks, right? And so I want to extend the invitation to those who have micro locks, dreadlocks, twists, right? It's natural hair. At the end of the day, it's all natural hair. And, but, just know that my message, when I talk, I'm talking specifically specifically to those that have, sister locks, but certainly it's still all natural hair. So anyway, just thinking, I just wanted to know, what's important to you about your hair. What would it mean to be a part of a community that see you, that you can actually connect with another human being, someone that you want to connect with, someone that's like-minded, and a community that you can actually make friends and build relationships with. What social media started out with, now it's just posting and headlines. It's no real, what I have found is no real connection, where you can collaborate and talk and just really share, and not just about hair but about other things that you might have interest with. So I will leave the link to the community, to the wait list, so that you can get on the wait list to be informed when we actually launch, right? So just, click that link in the comment section or the description box, and you will get a little synopsis of what we're all about. And then if it seems like it's the right fit for you, fill out the form and get on the wait list, and you will get another email, and you will have further instructions there. But I really cannot wait to connect with you. We're going to, in the community, in the club, we're going to have hair tips. I'm saving the best for my community, right? I have new videos I'm going to be sharing and making new, I'm telling you, everything is going to be new, and you're going to enjoy it. You're an integral. You are an integral part of the community, because you is who helped build the community, right? And and just to let you know, it is a paid community and a paid club. And so I want to let you know that you will get all the information on how to become a member, once you get on the wait list. So anyway, I just wanted to share that with you, just a couple of thoughts. Um, if you're interested in the beautiful hair products, I tell you, it's here for you. I can't wait to fill your order. These products are especially formulated for those who have sister locks, and certainly regular locks, long, natural hair. So with that in mind, friends, I just wanted to leave that thought with you. So answer the question for me. What would it mean to you to be a part of a community that sees you, that really is interested in building a community and a relationship with you? And then I wanted to invite you to visit our beautiful hair products and accessory store at beautifulhairproducts.com. Okay. All right, y'all. This is the end of the day. You all have a wonderful afternoon, evening, or morning, whatever part of the country you're in. And I will see you again soon. Peace.